Oh, that's one. Big one. Good one. That's a good place. Oh. Alright. New spot. We're on like Chamonix Creek right now. And pretty much it's like really big public park. So was able to park there for free, which is awesome. And now I got this whole entire little river system to really go through, and I got all day. So let's make a day of it. I have a feeling this looks really good. Like I'm so excited right now. Like I am so excited to fish this. It looks, oh my god, the water feels awesome. It's also like super hot out today. It's like just about like literally like 90 degrees. So this little cool water feels actually incredible. But we're on the hunt for a big smallie. I think we can find them. It's like such a walk. There's one. First smallie of the day. Oh! Came off. Wasn't paying attention. He's a little guy. Super little guy. Honestly didn't even feel him on. But we're gonna keep moving. We're gonna come back to this spot though, because this is super cool. Better fish. That's a better fish. Nice. Finally, man. It's been long enough. Nice little smallie. That's just what we needed. Alright. Nice first smallie of the day. Let's put him back. He's off. Nice. Let's go. Let's get some more. Oh. Woohoo! Got some quicksand to get through. Ooh. Ooh. That's disgusting. It's pretty quicksandy. Alright. Tiny jitterbug. Let's see how this works. I feel like it's gonna kill. Looks good in the water. Oh my god. First cast. First cast. What? Dude, 3 hooks. What is going on? Dude, he got triple hooked. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Right. Little blue. Little gill. But, I mean, that's first cast. Like, this thing might be the ticket. Alright. We're gonna keep walking down. See if we can't find anything bigger. All right, switch to a little crankbait. We're gonna kind of test that out, see how that works. This water's pretty deep. This is only 2 to 5, so should be like honestly perfect. The water here is probably like in the middle, like 4 or 5 feet deep. So I think it's like the perfect crankbait, and also the only crankbait that I have left. So that is also something that is true. Enough funny business. Let's get back to catching some fish. It's been a little too long. Alright. We're gonna do a little walking all the way to that bridge. Alright. Next spot, I'll see you. So it turns out to get to the bridge, you gotta go like directly through someone's backyard. So guess I'm not going to the bridge. Guess we're gonna really make our way back and kind of walk back up to the river, see if there's anything there, and then guess figure it out from there. Oh, there's one. Big one. Good one. That's a good place. Oh! Finally, dude. Finally a decent one. That's a quality bass right there. Guys. Let's go, dude. Perfect hook set, look at that. Finally get a good bass. Boom, look at him. Nice, like, pounder, pound and a half. But let's put this boy back. Surprised I catch a largemouth. Usually not a ton of them, but hey, let me get a good release, buddy. So, nice guy. And he's off. Nice. Awesome. Finally, dude. It's getting a little nervous. Wasn't about to catch anything, but I'm gonna have to stick with the worm the whole day because obviously nothing else has really been working super well. That guy in the current though, it's definitely a fight for sure. Felt a lot bigger than what he actually was, but hey, I'll take it. That's a good creek bass. Really solid creek bass. Seems like all these fish are just by structures, from what I can really see. Yeah, they're liking this worm though. I'm gonna keep doing this worm. Bunch of rock bass over here. They're always fun. Oh, a nice bass. Nice bass. Oh, no. Came off. That was a nice bass though. Dang. Came off. I thought I got a good hook set on that guy, but apparently not. Man. That's killer, dude. That's actually killer. Man. Want that back. Horsed him in too much. But this spot is stacked. I caught all my fish in the same little tiny spot. So weird. I guess it kind of makes sense, there's structure here, but I'm honestly pretty surprised. Alright, let's throw this crankbait around for a little bit. See if anything's in here. I usually like throwing cranks, but Lately haven't seemed to be working for me so well. Hopefully that changes. There's one. Oh, big one. Nice fish. Real nice fish. Real nice fish. Real nice fish. Nice bass. Oh my God. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes! That's a nice smallie. Let's go. Watch these troubles. Ooh. Look at that guy. Beautiful smallie. Oh man, I knew the crankbait would do wonders here. Just waiting for its time to shine, man. Oh, look at how beautiful that bass is. That is a smallmouth bass and a half. Smack the crankbait. Dude, look how gorgeous this is. Little spots on it. Absolutely beautiful fish. Let's put him right back. Look at that beast. Sick fish. Look at him. Absolutely gorgeous. And he's off. He's pissed. He's off. Let's go. Oh man, that's just what I needed. I needed that. I knew the crankbait would work. Like, craw color crank. That's like the best thing there is to throw out here, you know? Get these little creeks. Who doesn't want to eat a crawfish? But that is a real nice bass. Oh man, that was awesome. We kind of fished this whole kind of stretch. Got one nice smallie. Let's go. We're gonna keep moving up. Let's get to it. All right. We're gonna go back to the car, charge this GoPro up a little bit, come right back out. Of course I got to record, but fourth guy of the day, little largy, right in this little current right here, but let's throw him back. Woo. Boom. Let's go. Let's get another one. So I went the other way, caught one little bass, but when I kept walking, I just pretty much saw that it was just straight. It was just pretty much like a super deep channel, which honestly never really produces for me. Like if there's not like fully flowing water and like structure, it's usually pretty challenging to actually catch smallies. So I kind of said, nah, not gonna do that. It's getting kind of late, sun's about to go down, so we're just gonna kind of walk back, find some running water, see if we can't pull out one more fish. Good bass on. I missed the blow up. It literally hit right when it hit the water. He smacked it. Oh my God, guys. Nice smallie. Nice smallie. Get up. Yes. Dude, he swiped at it. Look at that. He's not even hooked. He's not even hooked. That's a quality smallie. Literally hit it right when it hit the water. Like this thing literally just hit the water and he smacked it. My GoPro died, so I gotta do this all on my phone, but look at that beauty. That's a beautiful bass. Beautiful smallie. Let's put him back. Look at him. Absolute beauty. Super long fight. Want to make sure he's good and revived. And he's off. What a fish. Well, I think I'm gonna call it here. If I don't catch anything else, then this will be the end, but I'd say pretty successful day. Caught a bunch of smallies. I mean, definitely not as successful as I wanted it to be, but still a pretty good day. So, thanks for watching. See you later.